Is it the right time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Amazon. We initially published our report on our website on Tuesday, November 28, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from October 30, 2023, our system has identified Amazon as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 1.71. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this time. If you had followed our analysis and invested 21 days ago, you would have enjoyed a significant gain of 10.79% on your investment in Amazon. This means an average daily return of 0.51% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This situation can provide a great opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as we can expect the stock to move back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $151.40, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 5.42% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return falls within a range of -12.32% to 8.55%. Now, let's consider the 12-month trend. It suggests a significant 69.04% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between 43.58% and 70.12%. In simpler terms, the stock price could reach anywhere from $211.10 to $250.12 after a year. Our latest daily update for Amazon brings the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for Amazon. The stock price of Amazon experienced a decrease of -0.474% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 28th of November 2023. It went from $147.73 to $147.03. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.42% between a low of $145.53 and a high of $147.60. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, resulting in an overall increase of 3.11% over the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price on the last day, which is generally considered a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by -9 million shares, with a total of 41 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $6.06 billion. Over the course of the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded for Amazon was $149.26, while the lowest price was $81.43. Presently, the stock price is 1.49% below the 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $2.23. Furthermore, it is 88.74% below the all-time high achieved on January 15, 2018, when the price reached a staggering $1,305.20. Here are the latest analyst ratings for Amazon. On Tuesday, November 28, 2023, BTIG gave Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, October 27, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Amazon a overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, October 27, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Amazon a outperform grade with a hold action. On Friday, October 27, 2023, Goldman Sachs gave Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, October 27, 2023, Telsey Advisory gave Amazon a outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Amazon stock a general rating of strong buy. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as strong buy as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Here are the signals identified for Amazon stock. The Amazon stock is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast. There is also a general buy signal as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a correction and declines, it is likely to find support at the levels of $146.20 and $136.54. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it would issue sell signals. Additionally, some negative signals have been observed, which may impact the short-term development. A sell signal was issued on Monday, November 27, 2023, from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -0.474% so far. The stock is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is identified. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. The volume of trading has decreased along with the price, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. In the long-term chart, the stock had a rare occurrence of a golden star signal on Monday, February 13, 2023. A golden star signal happens when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line align in a special combination. This combination is quite rare and often precedes significant gains for the stock. Today, we're going to explore some interesting signals that can help guide your investment decisions. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently indicating a sell signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which generated a sell signal 2 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal that occurred 15 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, we can see a sell signal that occurred 6 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is giving a buy signal that happened 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicates a buy signal that occurred 19 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average gave a buy signal 22 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 12 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon has found support from accumulated volume at $140.39. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is being tested. When it comes to the stock's daily movements, it tends to have average volatility. However, with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the past day, the stock moved $2.07 between its high and low, which represents a 1.42% fluctuation. Looking at the previous week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.66%. Let's begin by exploring some important fundamental data before discussing potential trading levels for Amazon. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.770. These figures can have a substantial impact on stock prices, so it's important to keep an eye on them. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Amazon. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $147.73. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. On the other hand, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading opportunities. Turning to the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $140.39. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a good entry point for traders, with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Amazon has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 22, 2023, Jamie S. Gorlick, an insider, sold 6,843 shares of Amazon's common stock, which has a par value of 1 cent per share. On November 21, 2023, Andrew R. Jassy, another insider, purchased 10,000 shares of Amazon's common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the same day, Andrew R. Jassy also sold 9,548 shares of Amazon's common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. Additionally, on November 21, 2023, Andrew R. Jassy bought 20,120 shares of Amazon's common stock, while also selling 11,759 shares, both with a par value of 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power ratio to be negative at -82.978. In total, insiders have purchased 231,434 shares and sold 2,581,203 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is $141.18, which represents a decrease of 3.98%. This particular stock experiences moderate daily movements, resulting in a moderate level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected just 1 day ago. Is Amazon stock a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that the current level of Amazon stock could present a buying opportunity. However, upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 29th, it is anticipated that Amazon stock will open down by $0.310 and begin trading at $146.72. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with the latest insights on the stock market. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinion. What price are you targeting for this stock? We appreciate your support, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful day ahead. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.